Looking at Xiaomi's all-new, very small handheld vacuum cleaner, which is super portable, USB charged, but is it any good? Well, let's find out. In the box, we've got the vacuum cleaner itself, a brush mount, a longer crevice nozzle, a USB-C cable for charging, and a small instruction manual. The vacuum cleaner itself is very small, being only 26 by 5 centimeters in diameter and weighs in at around 500 grams, so it is very portable. On the inside, it's got a 2000 milliamp hour battery that's good for around 30 minutes of use, and it's got a 120 watts motor with 88,000 rotations per minute that gives it a 13,000 PA suction strength. On the bottom, it's got a USB-C port for charging. It's got a single button for operation, which allows you to turn it on, set it to a stronger suction strength, and turn it off again. On the top, there's a small button to empty the dustbin, which is fairly small, but probably good enough for its purpose. And when twisting the top, you can remove the HEPA filter for cleaning or perhaps replacement of that filter. So this thing is small, it's very lightweight, it's very portable, it's really quite strong, it's got a pretty interesting design, which is really not bad, and it charges over USB-C. So far it's all pretty good stuff. When turning it on, it starts on its regular speed. When pressing the button again, it will go in its faster speed. Pressing it once more will turn it off. It's really quite easy to operate. And the first time I tried it was just here on the desk right after unboxing. But how good is it in use really? So let's put it to the test. Here I've got some small rubbish, which I suppose it's intended for. And it manages to pick up all of that without any problem. And here I've got some crumbled cookies on the rug, kind of like how you would have in your car perhaps. And again, it did just fine with this. So for its purpose, it seems to do very well. I mean, it's good to dust up some shelves. It's good to clean your keyboard. It's not that loud. I mean, you will definitely still hear it. As far as charging goes, I'm very happy to see it comes with USB-C. It charges quite fast, and although I'm not entirely sure, I had it fully charged in less than 1.5 hours, so I guess that's really not all that bad. Considering it has USB-C, you can definitely charge it using a power bank or in your car, which is all pretty convenient. So emptying the bin is quite easy. Basically just open up the lid, and as you can see, I was not able to get everything out at once, but it's actually quite simple just to get the filter out, and that was pretty much all that was needed. And that's about it, because there's really not much more to it. It does what it needs to do, and that's what it does. The Xiaomi Handheld Mini Vacuum is about it for the vacuum cleaner. I think it's really nice, it's convenient. I really like how portable and easy to operate it is. The only thing I'm not 100% sure of is how useful this is at home. I think it's very suitable for having it in the car or on a trip, but perhaps if you have kids at home, it might be an easy vacuum cleaner to quickly grab to get rid of some crumbs, for example. So depending on your situation,